Today, we're diving into the world of espresso machines, a must-have for any coffee enthusiast looking to bring the cafe experience into their home. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned barista, having the right espresso machine can make all the difference in your coffee-making journey. In this video, we'll be reviewing 4 of the best espresso machines on the market: the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro, Breville Barista Touch, Philips 3200 series, and Breville Bambino Plus. Let's get started. First up, we have the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro, a machine known for its robust build and professional performance. This espresso machine is a favorite among coffee enthusiasts for its durable stainless steel construction and commercial-grade components. The Classic Evo Pro features a commercial-style 58mm portafilter, which allows for excellent extraction and rich espresso shots. One of the standout features of the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro is its professional steam wand, which delivers powerful steam for creating silky microfoam, perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. The machine also includes a 3-way solenoid valve that reduces pressure immediately after extraction, ensuring dry and easily disposable coffee pucks. With a fast heat-up time and easy-to-use controls, the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro is a fantastic choice for those who want to achieve cafe-quality espresso at home. Next on our list is the Breville Barista Touch, an advanced machine that combines convenience with high-quality performance. The Barista Touch features a built-in conical burr grinder with dose control, allowing you to grind fresh coffee beans directly into the portafilter for optimal flavor. The intuitive touchscreen display simplifies the brewing process, guiding you through each step to create your favorite coffee beverages. The machine also includes an automatic microfoam milk texturing system, which allows you to adjust the milk temperature and texture to suit your preferences. The thermojet heating system ensures that the Barista Touch is ready to brew in just 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest machines on the market. With its customizable settings and user-friendly interface, the Breville Barista Touch is perfect for those who want to enjoy a variety of coffee drinks with minimal effort. Moving on to the Philips 3200 series, this fully automatic espresso machine offers an impressive range of features at an affordable price. The 3200 series is designed to deliver consistently great-tasting coffee with minimal effort. It features a built-in ceramic grinder that provides precise and consistent grinding, ensuring optimal extraction. The machine also includes the Latte Go milk system, which delivers creamy milk froth for lattes and cappuccinos. The intuitive touch display allows you to choose from 5 different coffee drinks, including espresso, coffee, Americano, cappuccino, and latte macchiato. The Philips 3200 series also features an AquaClean filter, which reduces the need for descaling and ensures the machine delivers up to 5,000 cups of coffee before requiring maintenance. With its user-friendly design and versatile features, the Philips 3200 series is an excellent choice for coffee lovers who want convenience without compromising on quality. Finally, we have the Breville Bambino Plus, our top choice for its compact size and exceptional performance. Despite its small footprint, the Bambino Plus delivers cafe-quality espresso and milk texturing. The machine features a 54mm portafilter with a precise dose control system, ensuring optimal extraction and rich, flavorful espresso shots. One of the standout features of the Bambino Plus is its automatic steam wand, which allows you to adjust the milk temperature and texture to create perfectly steamed milk for lattes and cappuccinos. The thermojet heating system ensures that the machine is ready to brew in just 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest on the market. The Bambino Plus also includes a pre-infusion function that gradually increases pressure at the start of the extraction, ensuring even extraction and balanced flavor. With its sleek design, fast heat-up time, and professional quality performance, the Breville Bambino Plus is the ultimate choice for anyone looking to elevate their home coffee experience. In conclusion, whether you're looking for a robust and professional machine like the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro, an advanced and convenient option like the Breville Barista Touch, a fully automatic machine like the Philips 3200 series, or a compact yet powerful machine like the Breville Bambino Plus, these 4 espresso machines offer something for everyone. Choose the one that best fits your needs and start enjoying cafe-quality coffee at home.